Susie Creamy SMP with Australian servers and Java PvP, so you can touch yourself in your tips with friends in the arena. Going in a hidden base, come in my hole and die. You can touch people too, get your tip wet in a sea base, or explore my cave with your tip. Feel so good, daddy. Senpai, can I cream in your cave? Come in my SMP and we'll feel so good. It's very hard, but it feels good. Let's spank each other while I bust on these clips. I'm so good I can take off my clothes and beat you. Just come already, will you, daddy? I'm getting tired, daddy. Don't pull out if it gets too hearted. Gets better soon and it is so good. We're all about PvP and lore.